Here you can see whatever changes I'm making on my Canva web application using my laptop are automatically being done on my Canva mobile app. So you can see both the screens here. So the web application and Canva mobile app work in a synchronized way. So it is a great feature for working on a project where multiple people can work on the same graphic design, and this really help you to build efficient graphics using Canva mobile app. Hello everyone, welcome to Malkeet Singh Academy. This is your host Jaskirat Singh. In today's video guys, I'm going to explain all about Canva application, and I will be explaining everything from scratch, like how you can create graphics like Instagram posts or making posters, flyers, presentations and YouTube thumbnail and even resume, because this Canva application is very easy to use application, so anyone can use it and build amazing graphics using this application. So as in all my videos, this video is also divided into different timestamps, so you could switch to any topic that you want. So this is a complete step-by-step tutorial to learn Canva application in mobile. So without wasting any time, let's start this video guys. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe. I keep posting these kind of videos related to computer and computer science, so don't forget to subscribe. So let's start this video guys. So guys, first of all, you have to install this application Canva graphic design from your Play Store if you're using Android, and if you are using Apple, so you have to search in the App Store. So here you have to search for Canva. So this is the name of the application. So here you can see Canva graphic design, video collage and logo maker. So this is the application guys, and this application is very useful if you are making graphics. Then this application serves all your purposes. So even professionals and even non-professional uses this application. So first install this. So after installing this application, this is the icon you can see. So Canva, here it is. So I'm going to click on it. So whenever you start your Canva application for the very first time, it is asking you to sign up or sign in. So if you want to create a new account, just click on sign up with Google or sign up with Facebook, or you can also sign up with your mobile or email ID. So I have already created this Canva application account, so I'm going to click on login, and here I'm going to log in with Google. So signing up, it is very easy in Canva. So click on login and it is going to ask me my account. So this is the account here. So I will be logged in into my account, and all the creatives or the graphic design I have created in my Canva application going to come up here. So this is the first interface guys whenever you sign up or log in through your ID. So I'm going to discuss everything in very much detail so that you can create all the graphics in this application. So guys, before starting or going into detail of Canva application, let me share a very cool and amazing feature with you. So a lot of people does not know about this feature, that is you can create teams in Canva app, and multiple people can work on the same graphic design. So in order to start your team, you have to click here on the menu. So here you can see at the bottom three options like home, designs and menu, and I will be coming back to this later. So just click on menu, and here you can see these settings. These are the options here in this window, and you can see here at the bottom, as I'm using Canva free application, but you can upgrade you to Canva Pro so that you can get the benefit of all the ready-made templates. But this Canva free app does all the work. So as I am using free application, similarly you can create amazing graphics using the free version of this application. So here guys, you can see the Jaskirat Singh's team. Similarly your name will come up here and your email ID. So I'm going to click here Jaskirat Singh's team. So this is the you can say this is a different space as compared to your Canva default application. So this is the team space, you can see whatever name you want to call it. So here all the designs will come up here. So currently no one is in my team, so all the folders, templates, so that whomever you are sharing this team's access, they are going to have the access to all the graphic design you are creating. so they can edit it or update it, so all the things they can do. So in order to invite people, so you can see this is a sliding kind of options here for designs, folders, templates, apps and people. So you have to click on this people, and you have to this link here, invite team members. So you can also add the email IDs directly from here, and you can send the invitation. So you can add as many as members here. So I'm adding an email and I'm going to send the invitation link. So let me use some of the emails. Okay, so you can also make them administrator or member, so depending upon your requirements you can make them. So at last you can see send invitation. So when I press send invitation, it is going to send an email to that person. So invitation sent to rabiapandher@gmail.com. So I'm going to open my Gmail here, so this particular account. So let me switch back to Rabia Pandey, and here if I refresh, you can see you have been invited to join a team on Canva. So if I click on this accept invitation, it is going to open my Canva application, but as I'm already signing in through my account, so it is not going to work. But the person whom you have shared this link is going to get the invitation, and they could directly join your team. So all the members are going to come up here, and you can do certain settings. So currently there are no one in my team, so because I'm making this for demonstration, but you can add as many as people. So this is a great thing, guys. So you can add me, so I'm giving my email ID, so you can add me into your email, into your team. So I will help you out and make your creatives. So because I'm using this Canva application a lot, so this is a very great application. So let's coming back to our home page. So very simple app, so it is not that complicated. So click on home. So guys, this is the front interface, you can say. So whenever you launch this application, this is the window you are going to see a lot. So I'm talking about all these features, all these graphic design templates in detail. So at the top you can see the search bar. So here you can search anything that you want to create. For example, you want to make a collage, then all the options like photo collage, video collage, college brochure, college poster, and all the options for collage going to come up here. And you can also search your design in whatever you design, collage or like that. Okay, so you can search anything. So like here it is written like try letterhead, or you can search A4, so A4 document will come up. So this is very pretty cool feature here, you can say. And the second one is for social media presentation. So these are the general categories of you can say all the infographics, we can say the general term. So social media presentation, prints, video, marketing, office. So if I click on this three-dotted button, it will open more designs. So all these are the different categories which are divided into subcategories. So photo collage, desktop wallpaper, magazine cover. So there are lots of infographics that you can create for Canva. So all the things are bundled up into a one application, we can say. And guys, I want to make that clear, or you can get the idea that whenever you are creating any graphics here, any infographics, we can say, it is a general term. So you can either you are creating YouTube thumbnails or YouTube channel art, or you are creating Instagram stories or collages, so presentation, anything you are creating. So the tools are the same, so all the tools is same. So let me just give you an example. So for example, I want to create a Instagram post. So if I click here, it will open this particular template, and let me show you that what I'm talking about. So if I click here anywhere on this creative, so you can see at the bottom, so all the tools here like replace, delete, color, effects, filter, crop, animate, transparency, all these you can see all the tools are the same. So for example, if I come here, so I'm going to talk about all these options also, guys, so don't worry. I know this video is a bit long, but you can switch to any topic whatever you want to learn. So if I click on this home button, and let me click on another design. So all these designs I have created, you can see.
So I used Canva a lot for my office work or my YouTube work, or even I create some other people. So some friend called me and tell me to create some graphics, so I just hop up into this Canva app and create graphics. So clicking on home button, so let me open this poster here. So for example, I'm opening this poster here, and now that the thing I'm talking about is that the tools. So here if I click here, and you can see again guys, all the tools are same. So it doesn't matter whichever infographic or graphics you are creating, the methods to add it is same, or tools are the same. So I'm going to discuss all these tools in detail so that you can easily create any graphic that you want. So this is the basic funda, we can say. So if you learn to use these tools, you are ready to make any graphics or any design in Canva application, because it is very easy to use. And once you learn all these tools here, you can see, so you are easily create any YouTube intro or any video, because all the features that I'm going to discuss here are applies to any creative in Canva application. So okay guys, so for this demonstration I'm going to create a blank infographic. So if I click here on the plus, so you can see a purple plus here. So if I click here, it will give me these options here. So I can create custom size, I can create Instagram post, logo, your story, video, photo collage, flyer. So there are so many options here, so you can see, so tons of options. So you can create any of these infographics very easily. Let me create a poster here. So the size of poster is 42 into 59.4 centimeter, but you can again create a custom size. So if I click on poster, first it will give me some you can see a template option. So I can use from the recently used, and for you here you can see, so these are the templates, back to school poster, or you can also search the template here. So for example, let me search for what we can search, for example YouTube. So let me search that. So there are not so much posters for YouTube, but you are getting my idea. Whatever you are creating, maybe strength I can search. So strength, so these are the, you can see creative, you can create. As you can see, this is a pro creative, this template is pro, it is written here. So this crown kind of icon, so you can use it, but you have to, like watermark is going to come up here, or maybe it will ask you to use it. So sometimes Canva allow you to use the pro templates, or sometimes it's not, but you can get the idea and you can create by your own whatever these creatives you can see here. So we can create the similar resilience strategy, you can see. So if I click here, so let me close it, and I can take a screenshot of this thing. So let me take a screenshot. Okay, so this is the creative we are going to create. So I have just taken the screenshot. So I'm going to create the same graphic design, so all the tools will be going to covered into that. So let me click on back button here from my phone. So this is the template. So let me open the screenshot whichever I have taken just right now. So click on gallery, not that video. So pictures, screenshot. So here you can see, so we are going to create something similar to this one. So let's create that. So let me open another window. So the background is light blue, so let me select here, and you can see the color. So let me click on color, and let me click on this one. So this is the color, guys. So now you can see all the tools here. So let me click on this plus icon here, and let me click on elements. So first option is for elements. So elements are like, you can add shapes, you can add graphics. So there are so many options you can use. So frames are there, grids are there, So you can also search any, you can say graphics here. For example, I'm searching for love, so let me click on love, and you can see all the creatives. So if you click here, it is going to add up here automatically, and you can adjust the size, and you can drag here and there, and you can also delete here. So if I click on delete, okay, so this is how you can add elements. So why I'm talking about elements, because we are going to add a element that is white in color. So you can see a background is white. So let me click on white here, and click on plus icon here, and click on elements and delete that. So we have another lines and graphics, you can see. So you can click on see all, and all these lines and shapes going to come up here. So I'm going to add this box here, this rectangular box. So I'm going to make adjust the size of that, so you can easily make a very good creative, and the suggestions going to come up here, whether it is centered or not. So you can check out the spaces. So let me click on that. So maybe from both the sides, and now I'm going to change the color of that. So let me color white. So you can easily color, click on color, and you can make it white. So this is the color, guys. Now the next thing is we have to add a yellow and a orange here. So in the yellow we are going to write resilience. So again, guys, either you can pay some amount of like $8 per month or 600 in India. So it is going to save a lot of your time. But if you really don't want to pay, then you can create your own graphics. So let me add another element. So that element is again rectangular boxes. So I'm going to add here. So here we are going to write the resilience here, and at the bottom we have this small box. So I'm going to duplicate it so that I could save some time. So click on duplicate here, you can see. So I'm going to duplicate it, and I'm going to drag it. So sometimes you have to use your imagination, guys. So there is a box because we just have added here, and I'm going to change the color of that. So click on it, and it is going to select that, and the color of that is I think this one color is okay. So we have added the second color, and now we have the light orange, so that dark orange we can say. So I'm going to click here. So this is, you can see this is not the color I want. So you can here, you can see color palette here. If you click here, you can change the color of that. So whatever color that you want, so that is the color. Okay, so this is the color, and I'm going to decrease that. So this is how you can add. So the next is our two, you can see two differentiate kind of things here. So we can add directly here. So let me add two boxes here. So from the elements I'm going to add. So you can see, you can drag and move here and there. So let me click on plus again, and I'm going to add now these here. So you can see, so these are the options here. So now I'm going to make the double here. So this is how you can make. Okay, so you can increase the size. So this is how, okay, maybe at the bottom. Okay, guys, so now again I'm going to duplicate it. So click on duplicate, and we just ran out of space. So let me decrease the size. So this is going to the size. So let me okay, so let me increase the size a little bit here. Okay, so now again change the color. So the first color is light sky blue. So let me change and click on color, and I'm going to click on light sky blue. This is the color. So maybe I make it black. Similarly, I'm also going to make it black. So the cool feature is here that you don't need to go again and again on your toolbar here. So here this light blue is the color, and I'm going to make it this color, and I'm going to click on color palette and make it light. So this is the color. Oh no, it is yellow. So let me make it yellow, and I'm going to decrease the size. So make it light yellow. So this is how you can make the creative. So again this is light pink, and I'm going to click on, so not this one, going to click on this color here. So I'm going to make it light pink, light sky blue. So this is the color, and I'm going to make it. So again, clicking on color palette, click on plus icon, and so maybe you are getting to that point. So what I'm talking about here, so we have just created the basic structure of our infographic. So the next step is we can add text here. So click on plus here, and I'm going to click on this T here, you can see at the toolbar. So this is the text, and you will get a lot of options, lot of you can see the font styles in here in the text. So you can add free text here. So all the pros you can see here. So huge sale. So whatever type of text font you want to add, you can add here, or you can also search here. So whatever font, like I want to add a Times Roman, so it is going to come up here. So Times Roman, so I'm going to search for that. So maybe space going to here, so Times New Roman. So I don't know why it is not appearing here. Okay, so you get the point. You can add any text style here from the given options here. So let me add this one here, sweet. It is saying sweet, so I'm going to just drag it here and just place it here and make it the center here. And now we are going to write resilience. So I don't know the spelling of resilience. So resilience, so help me. So this is the resilience. So here you can see it is not fitting in this particular box. So I'm going to just drag it here and make the size smaller and just center that. Okay guys. Another thing that there is a option for nudge. So this is a very cool feature when your fingers, like it is not going to work properly on a small screen, but you can use this nudge to make it, like if you want to move a little bit this text here. So this applies to all of the features. So for example, I want to make it this one a little down, so by hand it is not possible. By using this feature, this nudge feature, you can change the direction or change the position a little bit. So just a nudge, you can say, so it a little bit higher. So let me make it down. Okay guys, so change the colors. Let's click on that and click on color, and you can make it any color that you want. So, and there is a font and font size, so you can increase or decrease the font size, and you can also make it custom, like you want a 200. So 200 is pretty big, and just I'm going to do that. Okay, so this is how you can change the texture. So if you want to change the orientation, so like left line, right line, center, so justified, so all the things you can do, underline, or maybe you want make it a point, so you can do that here. So bold options are not available, but you can do the bold and italics. And spacing, so if you have multiple, so let us add these text next one here. So resilience, after that we have strategies. So let me click on text again, and I'm going to use this font here. So you can use any font. So let me click on this one. So I use this font a lot. So here you can see this font is in a kind of a group. So at the bottom you can see a option to ungroup. So similar things applies to all the grouping and ungrouping. So if I click here, I'm going to click on ungroup. So this is the ungroup for that, and I can delete any element from here, and I'm going to change it here, and I'm going to write strategies here. So strategies, so strategy here. Okay, and I'm going to make it all capital. So clicking on B here, and click on this AA, and it is going to make it capital. So bold option is not available again. Okay, so let me click on font size, so I can increase the font size, so not greater than the above font. So this is not center, so but I'm going to make it center. So this is the center. So all the suggestions and auto justify going to come up here whenever you move your text here and there. So my app is not behaving properly because I'm screen recording it. So but when you create your creative, it is going to work very smoothly and fine way. So this is in white color, so color is white, and you can see the space between individual text is a greater one here. So let me increase the size in between the font, so that you can do in the spacing. So if I click on spacing, so I can increase the letter spacing, line spacing, or anchor text box. So if my box is a greater one, I can center it, or I can anchor the text at the bottom. So all these features you are already aware of. Okay, so we have just increased the spacing in between the text. Okay, so let me nudge that again. So my best tool, so I use a lot. This nudge feature really works for me, because you will find this nudge feature great. So let me click on back button. Okay, so we have just copied the pro template. So now we have to add two ladies here. So two ladies and one cup and one spectacles, and this you can see bodybuilder type of thing, and one rubber here, and all this, the rest is the text, so you already know. So let me add the elements here. So let's add a lady here, so two ladies. So let me click on, oh not this one, so this is for text. So I'm going to click anywhere on the template, and on this text here I'm going to click on plus, and now I'm going to search for elements. So click on elements, and you can easily download from internet the PNG images. So there are so many websites and so many free PNG images you can see. So I'm going to search for two girls. So let us see what is going to come up here. So these are the two girls. So maybe these are not the girls I want to add. So what kind of girls are added here? So sitting girls. So two sitting girls. So simple English, not that complicated. So two sitting girls. No, not here, but you get the point what I'm talking about. So this is how, you know guys, whenever you are making these kind of creatives, you have to work a lot on your things that you are going to add. So two sitting girls I'm not able to find, so I'm going to take the help of Google. So let me search here. So I'm going to search for two sitting girls PNG. So PNG file is the best file. So maybe click on images. So guys, you have to search a lot for a particular image. So that is why Canva is selling their product, so that you can save a lot of your time. But really it will definitely benefit you if you are working as a professional, because this application uses by professionals a lot. So that just click on the Pro Canva template and use it. And here, so I'm going to click on here. So this is the PNG I want to add. So PNG tree gives you two downloads for 1 day from one ID. So this is the, you can see. So I'm going to add here this two casual girls. So I'm going to click on free download, and it is asking me to register or login. So I'm going to click on login as a Google. So click on my ID here. So this is my ID. So I download PNG images from this website PNG tree a lot. So this is a very cool application. So I'm going to click on PNG. So you can see here 2 free quota for left today. So I'm going to click on free download, and it is going to download here. So you can see, so we have downloaded. So you guys, we are making this creative, and similarly side by side we are learning all the tools. So click on this plus icon here. Now we are going to upload an image that we have downloaded from website, so from Google. So you can see I have downloaded so many photographs and uploaded that. So similarly you can also upload. So I'm going to click on upload here, and here it is going to open up my recent photographs. So you can see the PNG casual two girls. So I'm going to click here, and it is going to upload here. So you can see uploaded, already uploaded here, and I'm going to use it. So if I click here, it is going to come up here on my creative, and I can adjust the size. So similarly you can adjust the size here, and again my favorite one, so you can nudge it. So whenever you are out of space and you are not getting to the point where you are trying to put your creative this image here, you can use the nudge here. Okay, so you are getting my point how to upload an image. So the next elements are like we have a cup. So cup we can search. So Canva is going to give you a cup very easily. So maybe whatever creative you are, so maybe first price, let me search for first price. So first price cup. Okay, so here you will get some free and pro. So all these you can see creative you can easily find for free on internet. So let me search again. So clicking on select all and copy. So I'm going to search in Google here, again in Google, and I'm going to search in PNG tree itself. So search for PNG. So first price cup. So you can create multiple IDs in this PNG, and you can download as many as PNG images from this website. So free download PNG, and click on free download. So my quota is finished for today. So it is all about money, guys. So you have to pay. If you are really earning some money, then you have to pay. So it doesn't hurt if you use the Canva Pro app. So already created template, just change the text and all that. So clicking on this cup icon here. So where is that cup icon? So let me search at the bottom. So I'm going to add it at the bottom, and I'm going to rotate it. So you can also rotate here. You can see rotate option here. So rotating is not going to look comfortable here. So again, I don't know why I'm just promoting this nudge here, but it really helps you a lot. So nudge it, and you can decrease the size. So let me decrease the size, and I'm going to again nudge it. So okay, so this is how I want to put it. And last we have this body builder, and rest is the text, guys. So I'm not going to explain that how you can add and modify this text here. So again I'm going to search for bodybuilding, I think. So bodybuilding, so this is, you can see here, I'm going to add it here. So you will get the point. So I'm going to flip it. So flip horizontal, so you can flip it here. So flip horizontal here, and you can also change the color. So color is like orange, and I'm going to decrease the size, and I'm going to place it here. So at the last here, and here you can see. So here just I'm going to change the, so I'm going to click and close, and let me again just change the size, or sorry, direction. So this is how. Okay guys, so we have added 3 images. So similarly there are other options like elements we have covered. So you can add photos, graphics, videos, audios, all that you can add from here. So just you have to search that, and you can download from internet and upload your media. So this really helps you a lot whenever you are working. So you can see I have uploaded so many things here on my this uploads here. So all my creatives I created here. So you can see here. So there is a photos, so similar photos. So one pro tip I want to give here to you, that all these pro photos, so these are the free, but pro ones you can easily find from the internet, so you can download from there. So text we have already covered, so you can add text here, and there are styles, so you can change the colors, fonts, and the combination you can see. So these are the fonts, so you can add any fonts from here. So you will get the hang of this application once you start using it. And other things beside this tool here, so let me click on photos. So let me click on close here. Okay, so these are the options. So we have already covered this. Replace is like you want to replace the image, just click here and click on replace, and it is going to open your photos or your uploads. So you can easily change from these options here. So for example, you want to add any other photo. So for example, I want to add another picture here. So maybe I don't know, maybe subscribe button, so I can add there, so it is replaced by that. Or you can also undo that here from the top, so it is going to undo that, undo redo you can say. And other options, so all the tools I'm going to discuss here. So clicking on template and clicking on close, so these are the options. So duplicate it, so you can duplicate all these text we have already covered here. And animate, so animate works on when you are creating video or you are creating any type of animation, and this works in presentation also. So for example, I want to animate this two girls here, so I'm going to click here and I'm going to click on animate, so I can block it, breathe. So this is going to apply to all. So I'm going to add photo animation, so this animation going to apply here. So you get the idea of applying animation. So I'm not going to go into detail of that, and you can get the you can say the preview of at the top here. There is a button here, so this is the preview of your creative. So this is going to breathe here, something like that. But you can get the idea of so how you can make a good creative and add animation into that. And you can also increase and decrease the time, so 5 seconds, maybe 10 seconds, maybe 15 seconds. So it is upon your requirement. And so let me click on breathe, and I'm going to click on none. So I don't want any animation in this picture here. And so again at the bottom we have applied animate, so I'm going to click on and none. So page animation, none. So okay, so I don't want any animation. So coming to our other options is a transparency. So maybe I want a big text here, so clicking on plus here. So I'm going to click on text here, and I'm going to add a huge sale here. So what if you want to decrease the opacity of this text here? So let me first change the color. So this is not looking good here, so black it is. So similarly I'm going to apply at the bottom, so black it is. So but if you want to change the opacity, so click on this text here, and I'm going to click on this opacity option, so transparency. So maybe 100, 81, so maybe you want just a little bit here, so 39, just save the number, and here just apply 39 here. So maybe, so here you can see, so this is the opacity guys, this is how you can apply the opacity. And one other thing that you can add here, like spacing, we have already covered letter spacing and line spacing. So it is already different boxes here, so that is why this line spacing is not working here. Or you can ungroup them, group them. Okay, so you can add effects here like shadow, lit. So there are so many options, supplies, this option echo and glitch. So you can add any type of that. And one thing, how you can change the shape. So if you want the curve one, so you can make it curve, and you can also change the settings here. So how much curve you want, so maybe this one, this curve, or maybe that one like a smiling curve. So you can change the curves also here. Okay, so it is pretty easy. So, and if you want to make this text to go to the background, so you can also change that. So this is called position in Canva. So if I click here on the position, so I can make it backward. So double click and just start clicking, and it will go to the back of this images, you can see. So you can click on top front, so it will come up the top front. So to back, so it goes to back. So maybe at the totally behind this blue color here. So I'm going to click on from, or align top, middle, right, bottom, left, center. So you can do a lot of things here. Okay, so this is the position, and you can also duplicate it. And font size, spacing we have already done. Transparency, position, nudge, trust me guys, I have explained it a lot here, this nudge. And you can also make it lock, so that it is not going to go anywhere, so you are locking this. So this is a pretty cool feature when you are just want some text at somewhere, and later on you are adding other features. And at last we have this comment, so you can comment it for your teams. So if you are working on a team, so you can add the comment. So maybe you got busy in somewhere else, you are letting other people to edit it, so you can add a comment. So I'm adding comment here, so just added it. So I'm adding a comment here. So comment for editing. So click on OK. So not OK, and this is going to send the comment here. Okay, so this is the comment, and I'm going to click on close here. So you can see if I click on this, okay, so this is, you can see the comment. So comment for editing, so all the comments will going to come up here. So all the options I have covered here, guys. So but you have to like practice a lot. So practice makes a man perfect. So I'm going to click on link here. So if you want to send the link, so you can add the extra websites here. So this works in PDFs. So whenever you want to share a website link, so let me click on this text here. So for example, let me add a text here. So again, I'm adding a text here. So this text here, and I'm going to click here. So click here to visit my website. Okay, so here you can see this is kind of a really out of the canvas, and I'm going to decrease the font size. So it is going to come up here, and I'm going to click here and take it at the bottom. So again, it is a little bit bigger text, so I'm going to decrease the font size. So what I'm sharing with you here, guys, so that you can add the clickable links here. So again, I'm using my favorite tool in Canva app, that is Nudge. So this is here I want to add. So now what if I want to add a link here? So I have written here, click here to visit my website, and this only works in the PDF, so it is not going to work in an image. So that we just going to cover here. So I'm going to click here to visit my website, and I'm going to add a link here. So the link you can add from this link option. So here I'm going to write www, so not r, so www.google. So Google, so let me add my YouTube. So let me do some marketing thing. So this is my YouTube channel, guys, so you can subscribe to it. So let me share my channel. So click on share. So Malkeet Singh Academy. So make sure you subscribed. I hope you are not get bored by my lecture. So clicking on OK. So the link I have added here. So click here to visit my website. So just it is added here. So now I'm going to save this PDF. So I'm going to share with you that how you can download it and how you can share it. So here at the top you can see the upload kind of option here. So here you can see print poster, save as, share link, save as image, save with transparency, present. So if you are making presentations, you can also do that. So directly email them. So there are lots of options here. So I'm going to click on save as. So here you will get these options. So you are getting to this point again and again when you are making creative, you are changing them and editing them. So I'm going to click on PDF here. So this is high quality multi-page document. So guys, one thing I want to also share here, that you can add 100 pages. So if you want to duplicate it, so let me just close that. So if I want to duplicate it, so here you can see at the bottom there is an icon. So if I click here, and it is going to open up a new window here. So now I can make duplicate here. So similarly, just clicking on duplicate, it will make this duplicate here. And if I close here, so now I have two creatives in the same folder. You can say it is folder here. So and you can also change the views here. So if you click here at the top, you can see 3 dotted. So thumbnail view, so it will give you the numbering here at the bottom, or you can see the grid view. So we have already seen the grid view. So these are all the views here. So scrolling view. So I prefer this thumbnail view. So because whenever you are downloading it, so let me click on thumbnail view. Okay, so this thumbnail view really helps you a lot whenever you have you are creating multiple PDFs, so that you will know that which PDF or which image you have to download. So there are one. So now we will cover how to download it. So let me click on this upload kind of icon here, and you will get all these options here. So I'm going to click on save as. So now here you will see the options like PNG. So this is a high quality image, so always go for PNG. There is a JPG and PDF standard and PDF print. And one pro tip guys, so you can add 100 pages here, so up to 100 pages you can add here. And if you really want high quality images, then you have always download as PDF, and then later on you can convert them into PNG or JPG. So you will get plenty of applications from Play Store. So I'm going to download this high quality multi-page elements. So I'm going to click on download, and this preparing your design window going to come up here, and it is going to download here, and you can directly share to Facebook or WhatsApp, Gmail, whatever you want to do. So I'm going to copy it. So I'm going to copy this in my backup here. So backup, I'm going to paste it here. So this is the folder, and I can change it the name. So I'm going to change it huge sale. So this is the name of my creative. So I'm going to click on it, and it is going to open in a PDF opener. So this is the, and guys, again you can see we have made a mistake. So I was just bragging about this thumbnail view, and I didn't apply that in my creative. So it download both the PDFs, but I want only one PDF. So clicking on save as, so upload button, save as, and here you have to select the page. So I want only the page number 1, and click on done. So page 1 is selected, and clicking on download again. So again I'm going to download it. So it is got downloaded in my downloads, and I'm going to share it. So whatever you want to do it. So clicking on copy, and again backup. So clicking on paste. So I'm going to rename it. So I'm just a little bit lazy here. So select all, copy, OK. So I'm going to delete it. So delete that. So this is our new creative. So I'm going to paste the huge sale button here. So OK.
Now I'm going to open this huge sale PDF here. So let me click on it and click on more, and open in another app. So I'm selecting that. So let me open it in OneDrive PDF viewer. So I'm going to open it in that. So this was our like demonstration. So we have created all of that here. So now I'm going to click here to visit my YouTube channel. So here you can see at the bottom. So I'm going to click here, and it is going to take me to my YouTube channel. So if you haven't subscribed till now, subscribe to my channel guys. So I make these kind of videos here and there, so you will find it helpful for your computer science. So that is all from my side guys, how to use Canva app. So similarly you can create presentations, YouTube thumbnails. So the basic criteria to make all of the Canva graphics is the same. So once you have learned the tools and all that, so you can easily make any thumbnails, or you can use the ready-made templates. So it all on your creativity and your talent. So all your design going to come up here. So recently I made a like architecture kind of thing here. So this is I make by Canva application. So you can see I have put a lot of details here. So similarly you can also create something similar, because it is very helpful whether you are creating graphics, whether whatever in your mind you can create easily in Canva app, and you can easily share with someone else. So pretty great application to use. So I use this Canva application a lot. So similarly you can use it for your professional work, or you can also get the Canva Pro. So it does a lot of work for you. So all you have to do is to add it. So that is all guys from my side. So I hope I have covered every topic in Canva application. So I hope you have learned a lot from my video. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching this video. See you soon guys. Bye bye.